Wayne and I'm Technical Director at ecoMaster, and today I just want to show you a little trick about putting seals in the draft dodgers. Now in 14 years of using these seals, the white and the bronze ones, we've never yet had a problem until very recently about fitting these into the draft dodgers. So I'm going to show you a trick now about using the fitting packer to put the seals into the draft dodgers, and it's going to save your fingers. Okay, let's have a look at that now. So the way to put this in and save your fingers is to just get it started and then use your fitting packer on edge like this to actually push the seal into the spline. So with one hand you're just lining it up, and then you just use the fitting packer to push it into place. And that's going to make it a lot easier on your fingers to put the seal in. It's that easy.